In this video, I am going to show you the unboxing of Epson EcoTank L3250. The box of Epson L3250 looks like this. It's a multifunctional Wi-Fi printer. Using this printer, you can do the print, copy or scan. And the side of the Epson L3250 looks like this. And over here, you can see the printer dimensions. And below, you can see the print speed, ISO print speed, scan resolution up to, and print resolution up to. And these are the operating system Epson L3250 supports. On the box you can see that they have clearly mentioned replacement ink bottle lid. You can take up to 4500 black and white pages and up to 7500 color pages. And this printer is made in Thailand, and you can see that it is imported to India. The price mentioned on the box is 17,999, but you can get it under 12,000 if there is any sale going on. So without wasting any time, let's open the printer from the box. Once you open the printer from the box, the printer looks like this. Here you can see that everywhere it is taped so that it doesn't get damaged during transportation. Let's remove the stickers from the printer. Once you remove the stickers, the printer looks like this. You can open the top tray and you can do the scanning of the copies. And at the bottom you have another tray. It holds the printed copies. And here is the branding EcoTank L3250 Wi-Fi. You will get 4 ink bottles with the printer. You need to fill the ink bottles in these chambers. To fill up the ink tank, you need to open this lid. Once you open the lid, you will find this BKYMC. You need to open the caps and you need to fill up the ink in the respective chambers. And also you will get a USB cable with this printer so that you can connect this to your PC or laptop. You need to connect this end to the printer and the other end should go to your PC or laptop. And also you need to connect the printer to the power source, so insert the power cable at the back like this. Once you connect the power cable, the back of the printer looks like this. Turn on the printer and open the bottom tray, and at the top you need to open like this so that it holds the papers. After that, keep the A4 sheets in the slot. You can simply take the prints from the printer. Here you can see that I am taking the color prints. So that's it guys, it is a short unboxing video of Epson EcoTank L3250. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.